In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an interface on Airtable in just 5 minutes. Now, if you're unfamiliar with Airtable, it's a powerful platform that lets you build next-gen apps and customize workflows effortlessly. So let's dive in and explore how you can create a stunning interface in a few straightforward steps. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Airtable website. You'll see their sleek homepage, which is the perfect jumping off point for all your Airtable needs. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of the page where you'll find the sign in button. Go ahead and click on that. If you're not logged in yet, you'll need your credentials to access your account. This is a necessary step to access all the amazing features Airtable provides. After successfully signing in, you'll be directed to Airtable Home. This is essentially your control center, where all your bases and workspaces reside. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with your environment here. Now locate and click on Base. A base in Airtable is essentially a table or database where you'll store and manage all your information. Clicking on it will lead you to a list of your available bases. The next step involves directing your attention to the Interfaces option visible on your screen. Click on it. Airtable's interface feature allows you to customize how data is displayed and interacted with, making it a powerful tool for managing information efficiently. Once there, look for the option that says Create a New Page or Interface. By clicking on this, you're beginning the process of designing a new interaction layer over your existing data. When prompted, you'll notice an Add Interface option. Clicking it will allow you to create the interface that best represents what you want to achieve. This step brings a whole new level of interaction to Airtable, giving your data a more personalized and intuitive front-facing view. Remember, when designing your interface, maintain clarity and make sure the design complements the data. This will enhance usability and help your workflow become more seamless across the board. And there you have it, a simple, quick way to create an interface on Airtable in mere minutes. This process offers immense potential for organizing your tasks and data more efficiently. If you take your time exploring, you might even discover additional features to further enhance your workflow. By following these steps, you're well on your way to maximizing Airtable's capabilities. Be sure to experiment with different elements and layouts to find what works best for your needs. Keep tuning in for more Airtable tips and tricks and happy interfacing.